Hey y'all, this is the chem part of the Chem-Is-Try lab. What we've got here is we've got some copper chloride and some aluminum, and I'm going to take that aluminum and I'm going to drop it into the copper chloride and we're going to see what happens, all right? So take this, we drop it in here, and as you're looking at this, it doesn't really look like much is going on right now. I'm going to stir this up just so we can see it a little bit, and if you were able to get really close and look at it, which we're going to use this other camera for that, but you'll actually be able to see the aluminum is no longer bright and silvery anymore. It's kind of starting to get this reddish color on the outside of it. So I want you to kind of think about what's going on there.
Is part of the lab. So in this jar I have some 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid, and I'm going to just add it to my graduated cylinder. I'm going to fill it up so it looks really cool, so we get like a really big reaction here for y'all to see. If y'all were doing this, we'd do much smaller, but that's okay. Okay, and then here I have some sodium, oh my goodness, if I can talk. Here I have some sodium carbonate, so I'm going to just drizzle that down the sides and we're going to watch the reaction take place. Okay guys, now for the next part of this lab, we are going to add gook to this and see what happens.
Part of the Chem-Is-Try lab. So what we've got here is we've got some acetic acid that I've put inside that film canister there. I've also got some sodium hydrogen carbonate inside the lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this, flip it over, clip it on top of that, and we'll see what happens. And there you go.
Alright, now this is the last one. This is the try part of the Chem-Is-Try lab. So here we've got some acetic acid, and in this one we've got some sodium hydrogen carbonate. Alright, so I've got the acetic acid in the stone canister. The sodium hydrogen carbonate is inside the lid. I'm just going to turn it over and we're going to see what happens. Maybe it's not strong enough. I guess I could have tested it. Probably should have.